If you want to impress your guests, try this chicken makhmali recipe, which is very easy and also it takes very less time to cook. So to make makhmali chicken, add butter and oil in a cooking pan, let it melt, then add in 3 medium sized onion paste, and when you will make onion paste, add in 2 to 3 green cardamom also and grind it together. After adding onion paste, continuously saute it on a medium flame. Saute till raw smells goes away completely and onion start changes its color slightly. It will not change its color much because it's a paste of an onion, but when it slightly changes its color and when you see butter start separating, that time add in around 1 kg of chicken. Simultaneously add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute this with chicken on a high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in some spices. Add in 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon crushed dried red chili. Add salt as per taste. Then saute it well and cover it and allow the chicken to cook with all the spices on medium flame. After few minutes, keep the gas flame low and add in 1 cup curd and mix it well. Always add curd on low flame so it will not curdle. Then cover it and cook on medium flame. At this stage, if you want, you could add water in it. Because the gravy you will get that is little bit thick, so I am not adding water here, but if you want, you could add 1 cup of water. Now cook the chicken on medium flame until it's done nice and soft. When chicken is nicely cooked, then add in 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add in fresh cream 2 to 3 tablespoons to make gravy more creamy. Add in crushed fenugreek leaves, which I have added but forgot to record, so please add little bit of fenugreek leaves. Give a nice stir to it and cook for few more minutes. At the end, for chicken we'll give a nice tadka which brings more flavor to this chicken makhmali recipe. In a pan, add butter, allow it to heat up, add in 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Here I have taken half cubic shape cut capsicum, half cubic shape cut tomato, 2 teaspoon julienne cut ginger, 4 to 5 green chilies, some coriander leaves. Add all this thing in a pan and saute it for half minute. And pour this tadka into a chicken and that's it. It's done and ready. Without marinating a chicken, fabulous chicken gets ready in few minutes. So do try it and let me comment below. And if you find my videos interesting, please give a like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.